Hi guys, this is Mrs. Foy, and I am just going to show you how you make your little booklet for the BLAST, AP Bio BLAST gene and genes and consequences activity. So I'm going to basically show you how you make this foldable book that you're going to be using for the genes and consequences lab, which is the BLAST lab for AP Bio. So if you're in class, I have made these for you, but if you are not, you're going to need to make it for yourself. So I have given you the PDF of this 6 pages printed single-sided, okay? So you have these 6 pages that are part of your genes and consequences booklet. What you need to do is you need to tape them so that one is upside down. So here are the first 2 sheets. One is upside down to the other, okay? So here's the first sheet, and then you flip it over and it looks like this, okay? So you need to just take some regular tape, all right? And you just need to tape those so that they are now one page printed double-sided, one page upside down from the other. And you might say, well, Mrs. Foy, why didn't you just print them that way in the printer? And I could have, but you might not have that option. And so I'm just showing you this way. Okay, so I've got my first page. Here are my second 2 pages, and I'm going to put one upside down from the other. So it's going to look like this for page 2, and the second page is upside down. Okay, so you're going to do that. Tape it on the bottom. I'm just taping them together here. So it's like one page double-sided with one of the pages. This is page 3 and 4 that are upside down of each other. All right. And then you do it for your last page. The last page says my protein function, and then there's something that says my amino acid sequence. So you're just gonna flip it upside down like this. So you have it like this, and it looks like this. Okay. I feel like I'm a craft teacher or an art teacher or something like that. So sorry if I'm not doing this right. Hopefully you can follow along. All right. So now you've got 6 pages of your booklet that's double-sided with one page upside down in the other. So then the next step is you have a page in your lab that's an instruction page of how to fold your booklet. Okay, so what it tells you to do is it tells you to line up the pages 1, 3, and 5, line them up so that the dotted line, so it asks you to go like this. I'll show you sideways. It asks you to line them up so that the dotted lines are all together. All right, so it shows you a picture of that right here where it says line up all the dotted lines together. So I'm going to do that. Make sure the dotted lines are right on top of each other. Okay. Make sure the dotted lines are right on top of each other. So it should look something like this. Okay, the dotted lines are all on top of each other. There's the second dotted line. And then this is the third dotted line, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna fold your paper on the dotted line. Okay, so I just folded it on the dotted line, and then it makes this little booklet that has a little flap, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different flaps that you can open up. And this is basically kind of like your lab data table for this sheet, for this lab, okay? And then you can just paper clip it. I have a stapler, and your directions tell you to staple it right at the dotted line so that you have it like this. So this is your little booklet, okay? And the directions, as I said, are right here. So you follow those directions. And then this is what you're going to use to record your information for the Genes and Consequences AP Bio. This is your blast lab. So hopefully that's been helpful and you can do this better than I did. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in class.